All right, check it out, guys. We got the. All right, check it out. We got these beautiful LED light shoelaces, and then their companion, which is the hand. If you guys can see, she has a hand. So at night, you could be walking around trick-or-treating using these actual beautiful LED lights, and they have different modes on them. All right. So if you don't mind clicking on one on your hand. So on the mode, if you guys can see the mode, look how it turns different. We're gonna try a different mode now. Try it. And this is just a solid, and then it goes back to on two lights. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. And then off. And then it goes back to normal, which is light it up. Now the shoelaces have the same details. In the shoelaces, we're gonna do that. So when you go to shoelaces, you hit it once, they flash one color only. You hit it again, they flash different colors, and then they turn off. So right now it's just a faded, and then we're gonna do the one color, and let's change it back to how it was. And there it is. We could change the faded one, and there they go automatically. So when you're walking at night, look how bright they are. And I don't have any lights here whatsoever. Super cool lights. You can see there's a dog in here. Touch the dog so you can see how bright it is. Look at that. So simple. Gloves included with the shoelaces. I hope you guys enjoy the video.